Welcome to our channel Future Stenographers. Ready for the dictation? 10 seconds, 5 seconds. Ready? Start. This is the petition under Section 17 of the Arbitration Act 1940 filed by the Union of India as petitioner on 20th February 2001. Stop. By the petitioner has prayed for the relief. Full stop. Mr. Khorana, on behalf of the respondent, has raised a preliminary objection that the petition under Section 17 is barred by limitation. Stop. Mr. Khorana contends that in the present case, the limitation for filing of the award in the court by the arbitrator under Article 119 is governed by Limitation Act 1963 in that where the party to an award receives notice of making the award and the said party does not approach the court by means of a petition under sections 14 and 17 of the Arbitration Act 1940 and on receipt of a notice of making of an award simply requests the arbitrator to file the award in the court, then the arbitrator has also to file the award within 30 days of the receipt of the notice by the party of making the award. Stop. Mr. Khorana contends that the notice of the making of the award was received by Union of India on 24th November 1992 and therefore under Article 119 either the petition should have been filed within 30 days from 24th November 1992 and the same has been filed much later on 20th February 2001 or in any case Mr. Khorana contends that if the award is taken to have been filed by the arbitrator, then it ought to have been filed within 30 days from 24th November 1992, the date when the petitioner received notice of making of the award. Stop. Mr. Khorana contends that when the arbitrator files an award after a party has received notice of making of the award and the award is filed pursuant to a private notice by a party to the arbitrator for filing of the award, then such filing of the award by the arbitrator is governed by Article 119 and the same had to be filed within 30 days of receipt of the notice of making of the award to such party. Stop. Next para. The preliminary issue therefore to be decided by this court is whether the present petition is barred by limitation as having been filed beyond the period of limitation prescribed under Article 119 or that even if the original filing of the award by the arbitrator is treated as a petition under sections 14 by 17 of the Arbitration Act 1940, even then such filing is barred by limitation because it is filed after 30 days after 24th November 1992. Stop. Next para. The admitted facts which appear therefore are: the award is dated 30th September 1992 and the Union of India petitioner received notice of making of the award on 24th November 1992. Stop. The petition therefore of Union of India under sections 14 upon 17 Arbitration Act therefore had to be within 30 days from 24th November 1992, but the petition is filed on 20th February 2001, not within 30 days from 24th November 1992, but almost 10 years later. Stop. If the limitation is taken for filing of the award by the arbitrator in the court, then the same again ought to have been filed within 30 days from 24th November 1992, because the limitation under Article 119 cannot be extended beyond 30 days from 24th November 1992 merely because the arbitrator has filed the award. Inasmuch as the award has not been filed, but the award has been filed in the court pursuant to a request dated 10th March 1993 of the Union of India to the arbitrator to file the award in the court as an agent of the Union of India. Full stop.